Hey peeps, I am back with another video, and this time is going to be a jewelry haul. So I'm going to go ahead and move into all of my purchases from SHEIN. So jewelry is expensive, and a lot of the items that I wanted that were similar to the ones that I got from SHEIN were like $60 to $100 on other sites like Little Sky Stone or Gabriela Cabello's, and I was just like I can't do that, especially not all at once. I want to get a lot of jewelry all at once to hurry up and heighten my pictures for Instagram and things like that. So I just was like, let me go ahead and get the cheap ones, and then I will slowly build my collection with the more expensive pieces and slowly phase out the cheaper ones. So SHEIN, they had jewelry for like $2, $3, $1.50. So I got a whole bunch of stuff from them, and I will say that they do look cheap. So even Forever 21, like I was looking at my Forever 21 necklaces today, and I was like, those even look like more real gold than these SHEIN necklaces. Like these SHEIN necklaces are cheap. So like, can you tell like that gold is so like, yeah. So a lot of these necklaces that SHEIN has come in like these little sets, but what I love about the SHEIN sets is that they aren't those sets that are all like attached, so you can wear them singularly. You don't have to wear them all together because they are not attached. So I think this is like a choker. It can fit like a choker. I'm so skinny, my neck is skinny, everything on me is skinny, so a lot of times chokers do not fit, so I rarely can ever have a choker because it don't be looking right. So definitely this is a choker, and I love that because I never can have a real choker. It's so annoying. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell like how cheap it looks, but I think also like it's good enough for pictures. Like it's not like I'm trying to impress somebody with $100, $200 jewelry. Like I really don't care as long as I get the look that I'm going for. Ooh, I love that little blur effect we got going on. You see it dancing like diamonds. So here is another set, and this is just so dainty and cute to me, and that's another thing that I wanted to accomplish with getting this new jewelry, is that I'll just look more dainty and more feminine with wearing the jewelry, and that is definitely like something that I'm going for. I literally saw this necklace on another site for like $70–$80. No lie. The more dainty and thin it is, the less you kind of can tell that it's cheap. Ew, y'all. So this one is like one of the necklaces that come attached, and I didn't know that. I'm so mad. But I already have a necklace like this kind of, even though it's not gold, but I could take it off, so I can only have this one because I kind of wanted this one, this little pendant, to be by itself. What the heck? So I mean, this is still cute, but I hate the fact that I have to wear it with this, and honestly I probably will just take this off because I don't like that. Don't tell me how to wear my jewelry. Like, this is mine, so I do what I want to. I do what I want to, period. Pooh. I do what I want to. I do what I want to. So this is another attached necklace, and this kind of reminds me of Raven Elise's logo. She has like, I don't know how to describe it, but let me just show you guys, because if you know Raven Elise, you know what her logo looks like, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so y'all can see what I'm talking about right here. I love this because my name starts with an A. And I'm so vain. Probably think this song is about you. Don't you? You're so vain. Y'all know that song? Oh my god, I have to watch that movie. What is that movie called? If y'all know what movie I'm talking about, please put it in the comments down below. Do y'all know what movie that song is from? Ooh, I just remembered the name. Tell me if y'all know the name. Okay, so this is like a small little heart. Let me zoom in because y'all probably cannot see it. So just a small little heart, something real cute and dainty. Nothing much to it really. So I got this little, what is this called, safety pin necklace. This is like a whole trend right now, and I think I'd like want to wear it like this. Yeah, so it's a whole little trend right now, and literally they're selling these necklaces for like $70-$80. And mind you, you honestly could make this safety pin necklace your daggum self. So I was just like, if I'm going to buy this, if I'm actually gonna buy it and not DIY it, oh bars, if I'm gonna do that, then I need for it to be cheap. Like, I am not paying $70 for this, like, unless it came with like one where it was like embellished with like cubic zirconiums or like baby diamonds or something like that. Like, only then would I pay $70+ for it. But if you really are just giving me something that looks like a safety pin with a chain on it, I'm sorry, but you've lost your mind if you think I'm paying $70 for that. Like, period. We can't do it. So as you just saw, we're finally getting into the silver pieces that I got. I got a lot of gold. Don't ask me why. I guess I just felt like I would want to wear more gold. But I got a few silver pieces, you know, just to make sure I have some versatility. Is that what I'm trying to say? Yeah, but I like the quality of this one, the thickness of the chain, and just how like strong it feels. Not that it is strong, I don't know, but it feels like feels stronger than a lot of the gold ones that I tried. And the gold ones, they did have thinner chains, but this chain is not that thin. So these two necklaces go together. Get it? Lock, key. Do you get it? I think they go well together, and this is definitely something that I would wear and layer with maybe a turtleneck type of shirt that kind of goes up a little bit. For some reason, that's just how I feel about it. Okay, so finally, this is my last necklace. Okay, so it doesn't really fit as tight as I need it to fit, which is annoying because it won't lay right. So this is like how loose it is. You see that? Okay, so finally we're moving on to the last items, which are going to be rings. So I've been working with a lot of like nail places and stuff, so I wanted to get like rings so when I take the pictures for them, they will look nice and have like some more, you know, detail to them. You know how they do on Instagram, like all the people who do nails and stuff. So as you can see, like that just, you know, spruced my hands up and gave them like a little something extra. So yeah, I really wanted some of these rings. And also, once again, one of the downsides to being so skinny is that typically if you're skinny, your fingers are going to be skinny. So I wear like a size 6, size 5, and maybe like for this area a size 4. So it's really annoying that so many places make rings one size fit all, because like they don't fit all, okay? But SHEIN did have like some sizing guides on there, and then I just googled like the meters, because I think it was in meters. So I googled the meters for a size 6, and I was kind of in the middle of the range that they said these rings were. So some of the rings do fit really big, and some of them fit really good. So as you can see, like those fit really good, but some of them do not. But I'm about to try just a few on from each set with you guys. So this is like one big like band right here, and then they have these little small ones, which you see that doesn't fit. Like these don't fit. They might fit my middle finger a little bit better. Yeah, so they fit the middle finger a lot better, but like as you can see, like that doesn't fit this one. Like if it moves like that, like you see, like this won't come off, but this one, it'll come off. So you see, that fits. Let's see if it fits on this one. Doesn't fit too much on this one, but it does fit on the middle finger. And my middle finger is like my biggest finger, so that one always fits. This one fits on my ring finger, so that's good. Let's see what happens over here. And like I think like in the sets, they do have varying sizes. Oh god, it's stuck. So this set right here is the one that fits the best, and I really like that I got at least one set that fits really good. Even got one that will fit on my pinky. My pinky is probably like a size 3, size 2. I didn't want to go like too overboard with what I was going for. Like I said, my entire style, I'm trying to go a little bit more simplistic with splashes of maximalist in there. And I think for the rings, that's something that you can keep very minimalist. So yeah, peeps, that concludes this video. I feel like it was kind of long, so hopefully when I go to edit it, it's really not as long as it seems. It took me a long time to record this though, so I really hope you guys appreciate this video and that you check out some of the links down below. Hope you guys really did enjoy. Make sure you thumbs up, make sure you leave a comment down below, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are not a part of my peeps yet. Like, come on, join the gang, period, pool. Make sure you join the gang, subscribe down below, and also share this video with anybody that you know is looking into jewelry, needs jewelry. Thank you guys for watching once again, and I will see you all in the next video.